Can you see? You see what I was telling you people? You see this one now? You see how it is covered? You see it? You see it covered very well. But if I wanted it down, I'll bring it to the armhole part. You understand? But you see it. Other than that, you see. So now let's see. Let's work on our. What do you want? You want to stay? Stay and be doing what you. You watching? You want to learn how to sew? No, you're joking. Have you finished watching your football? They are done. So who won? You won your club. Which one is your club again? Oh, why now? Oh, okay. So guys, let's see. I want the people that are watching ball. So now let's pin this so that we will see. Can you see? You see what I was telling you people? You see that armhole area? How nice it came. You see how nice it is. As in, once you do it the way, just like I explained. You understand? You see it. You see that armhole part. You see how it stayed very well. So I'm just trying to pin so that you will see. You see everything. Can you guys see? Everything relaxed very well because of that overburst tightening that we did on that part. It relaxed properly. You see it. I'm just trying to pin it nicely. So at the end of the day, can you guys see? Like I said, our neckline people know we use 6 inches, about 6.5 inches. So if you want it deeper, you understand? If you want it deeper, you can cut it however. Do you understand? Just follow the same pattern, cut it however deep, but make sure that your neckline has a range of 3 inches or 3.5 inches, and then you cut it. So if you want to come down more, depends on what you want. Come down more. If you want this armhole side, if you want it to drop very well, you cut it and then blend it into the armhole. You understand? I want we came up, so that is why you see it is covered very well on the side. But if I did not come up, if I want it down, I'll float it into that armhole, my exact armhole area. So at the end of the day, you guys can see our one shoulder. So the person that requested for this tutorial, I hope you were online tonight. If you are not there, you can just always go back and go and watch it. So Tina, thank you. Wow, giving already. Thanks. Yeah, he's giving. Yes, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, Angel. Thank you. So you can always go back and watch it. Say good evening, ma. I missed the class. You can always go back. Just go back to my home and then click on live. You'll see the video. Then you'll be able to watch it. But other than that, this is a very simple way of doing a one shoulder pattern, and then you are not going to run into any problem. Everything is going to set and is going to align and is going to grip properly. So guys, I'm going to stop the tutorial here for today. So let me do highlight. So I'm going to stop the tutorial here for today. So guys,